Alright, here's how I start the charcoal for my kettle grill. I have a chimney starter, holes on the bottom. You put the charcoal in here and air will be sucked in and help light the charcoal. So what I like to do is try to improve my chances. Sometimes things just take a long time to light, and sometimes the charcoal is just slow. I use briquettes, but what I do on the bottom is I use lump charcoal. This is just small bits, and usually they fall through the hole. So I threw a piece of coffee filter in there to help trap the charcoal. So lump charcoal lights very easily, and the briquettes usually are slow to light without lighter fluid. So I put a layer of the easy to light stuff, so once that starts kicking off, it'll kick off the lump charcoal. Now I'll add the lump charcoal on top of that to do a full load. And to light the charcoal, I'll just crumple up some paper. One thing I like to do to also ensure that the paper doesn't burn up too quickly is to spray it with a little oil, or you could soak it with oil, so that will slow the burn. So I've taken the paper and crumpled into rough balls. I use 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11, and now it's time to light. Sometimes you could leave a little tail of the paper out, or I just light. And then I'll light from the other side also. So the paper is starting to burn. It's going to set off the lump charcoal, and that's going to heat up and cook the briquettes. Smoky. Alright, it's been 35 minutes. You'll see the charcoal is starting to turn ashy around the top. It's very red hot underneath. So I'm going to just basically pour it out and spread it around. Very hot. I'll just spread it around, and with the grill grate I'll put it on top and cover for about 5 minutes to bake off the grease, and then I'll hit it up with a little wire brush. So be back in 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. The thermometer here is reading over 600 degrees F inside the cooking chamber. So now I'm gonna just give it a brush. By using a high temperature, what that does is it bakes off the built-in grime from the previous cook and makes it easier to wipe off that stuff. Now I'll get the meat to cook. I'm going to cover this again to maintain the temperature. I'll be right back.